Hi again, Internet. I'm back. I'm gonna show you the other project that I have going. Do some 8K on these welds. It's on. The corner panel is on finally, so that's nice. Looking for some hate. Come on. I know you got it. You're the Internet, right? It doesn't matter to me what it looks like because we still need to grind it out and we'll get it all smoothed in. This is the other horrible rust spot on the A100s that happens. The final body problems that we need to address are where the camper was. We pulled the camper head out, or the pop-up, and I have a giant hole in the roof. But one of the things we were thinking, maybe we'll just make it a moon roof instead of a pop-up, but then it wouldn't be original. We do have a little work in that corner to do, and then some up there, but this is where I'm at. So over the year and a half I've had to let it sit and really see where the rust pops back out. There are a few spots. I'm gonna have to redo this, and there's the spots up there that are, you start to see some rust up there. I'll see if I can come around and get a better picture. Yeah, so it's just coming back rust, and to be expected, not too bad. But for the majority of the rest of the bed, it did pretty well. My primer job did pretty well. I'm not gonna put the panel back here. This is gonna remain open so we can continually maintain it. Just like here, where we primer and try and take care of it that way. So, that, and then next we have our brake line, and I'm just gonna be using the single cylinder, but we're gonna be redoing all of the lines underneath because we have a leak. Sorry about the shaky camera, but we have a leak, and I think it's because of the flare in the end, and I need to improve the flares in the end. And yeah, that's exactly where it's leaking. You can even see the drips right now. So we're gonna redo the fittings and replace the entire brake line, and I have tools for that coming this week. So where is it? Somewhere in here. I'll do more camera footage for that brake line, but it's going up and over, and it's really, oh yeah, here it is. This guy, this very thin line up here is my brakes, and I don't trust them. So I'm gonna put new ones in and get it going. So yeah. And now that we have the corner in, we're gonna put the gas tank back so we can really start to make some progress and get this thing on the road after the brakes are up. Oh, here's the underside of that rust that I was pointing out. So yeah, this right here, I believe is where the seat belts were bolted down. I need to still pop that off. But there we are. Progress in the dirty garage where we do all the laundry and store all the things. At least it's inside. And oh yeah, we did, I think I already showed the JB weld repair that we did up there, but yeah. So still plugging along. Just been waiting for the brake lines and getting these panels welded back. Here we go. See you soon. I'll keep you updated. Bye.